Magandang hapon mga kababayan, narito ang 2x2. Ako ang iyong tagapagbalita, Joyce Malinin Ignacio.
At ako naman si Jasmine Chloe Agub,
Nagbabalita.
PLDT stands Cherry Tigo for second win. PLDT stand top seed Cherry Tigo in a straight set victory 25-13, 25-22, 27-25 in the 2023 Premier Volleyball League All-Filipino Conference at the Phil Sports Arena in Pasig City on Tuesday night, February 21. Sobrang husay, hindi ba partner?
Win partner, hindi nila pinagbigyan ang kabilang team.
PLDT had 4 players in double figures in a total team effort, with Mean Mendrez finishing with 14 points, while Del Palomata and Jovelyn Prado added 12 markers each. Mitch Morente also came through with 10 to help the team pull off the upset.
Sana mas galingan pa nila sa susunod, di ba partner?
Sana nga partner, buti na lang at nakabawi sila sa season na ito.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Safeguard.
The high-speed hitters who were coming off a straight set victory prior handed the Crossovers their first loss of the season to improve 2-1 in the standings.
Grabe naman partner, ginawa talaga nila lahat para manalo.
Agpay sulaunay partner. Tied at 25 all in the third set, Prado would take matters into her own hands and nail the last 2 points to untangle Cherry Tigo from the deadlock and come away with the win.
Talaga nalaing ni Prado partner, idol.
True partner, ang galing! Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Cobra Energy Drink. Mylene Paat led the Crossovers with a 16-point outing while EJL Laure contributed 10 as they absorbed a 3-1 record in the standings, sharing a similar slate with the Creamline Cool Smashers and the F2 Logistics Cargo Movers.
Awan may baka akong partner, nalaing da nga unay.
Sobra partner!
Magandang hapon muli mga kabayan, ito ang 2x2. Ako ang iyong tagapagbalita, Joyce Malinin Ignacio.
At ako naman si Jasmine Chloe T. Agub. Kami ang inyong tagapagbalita.